relaxing at the White Rock Cliffs down here, just off the AT. Amazing. It's windy. Amazing little blue blaze. 100 yards, maybe, not even. 150 feet. But definitely check it out. It's gorgeous. Let me show you the view here. Good stuff. Way to start your day, man. A gorgeous hike here from Jones Meadow. It's pretty windy, so you might not be able to hear me too much. The day's just amazing. Ridgeline is our trail. Go that way. That's where we came from. And not that I'm expert, but I'm told this is the valley, and I think Greenville's down here. Taking in the views. Hopefully this won't wiggle too much from the wind.
Hopefully you can hear us.
Yeah. Like, your hike over Jones Meadow all the way down is going to be amazing. If it's a clear day, take your time, sit on some rocks, and take it in. Alright, just climbing up that, found White Blaze, now down there, and back up that. Alright, next up, Hot Buns coming down from there. We'll give you a little turn. And we are going to crawl up this guy.
Oh, Lord.
Folks, I know it's really windy. We did not do the bad weather trail, but look what we got here today.
Yay!
300, baby, if you can hear any of this over the immense wind.
We made 300!
Yeah, baby!
I knew it was cold, but...
I know it's windy, and I know this audio is probably gonna be horrible, but 300, baby, feels good. How does 300 feel?
Woo! Amazing!
300 damn miles, up and down mountains. You look down, you find the highest peak, you just know the AT is gonna bring you to that highest peak. Up and down mountains for 300 miles, and it feels good, man. Feels good. Definitely a nice little surprise. You got the open area, grassy top to a mountain, kind of freaky, scary looking trees. See the creepy tree? That's what I'm talking about. Who's that badass hiker wife?
Hot buns. Hot buns.
Who's that kicking ass all day?
Hot buns. Hot buns. Hi guys.
Cool little area.
Yeah. This is neat.
Kind of creepy and kind of cool.
It is kind of creepy in a way.
Yeah. So just got dropped off at Allen Gap. We're gonna hike up to Jones Meadow. Hopefully we beat the rain today. Dark clouds around us, but I think we should be done before it opens up. A lot of weather coming in for this weekend, severe weather. So we'll see what we'll do about that. And have just a little less than 8 miles to do today. It's a nice shorter day and most of it is uphill. So Hot Buns is loving that.
Hot buns is she has her days. Certain days like uphills. Certain days I like downhills. Because my knee has been bothering me. Uphills are winning.
You'll see today that I'm lucky enough. I've been testing the Z-Packs Arc Haul.
That was yesterday.
And today, the Wind Rider, I think 3400 by Hyperlight mountain gear. So, thanks to Dozer on the trail, I've been able to test a couple packs out. And he has my Osprey Atmos at his house right now. So, getting to feel some of the lighter weight packs like Hot Buns already has.
Yes.
And going from there. Yeah, coming out of Allen Gap. Northbound's pretty good hike. Just got rained on. Not too bad. A little sprinkling for a bit. You can probably see it over here. But really nice ridge walk. Views galore. Just at a steep incline, but beautiful day. Clouds are staying away enough, even with the rain, to show me some views. And a couple miles in, only got about 5 to go, so that's a good day. Hot Buns almost ran into a large snake. So we'll see if we can get a picture or video in here.
Looky here. I just came up. There's the trail. I look over to my left as I was coming up. There's a giant black snake. Just chilling. Scared the crap out of me. Now he's watching me like, what are you doing, lady? Crazy, huh?
Just a black snake, friendly one. But good stuff. All right, I'm gonna put you down while I finish this uphill. Show you the view behind me.
Hi guys.
Hello everyone, just had lunch at Little Laurel Shelter. Not a bad climb from Allen Gap. Sit back, relax. However, just for everybody coming up, the climb after Little Laurel Shelter, just after leaving.
That's a tough one.
Getting back up to Viking Mountain or Jones Meadow. Woo-wee. We are about 2 miles from ending our day here at Jones Meadow. And then we'll go from there.
Yeah.
So you guys are walking down the trail and we're not listening to music so far. Do you find yourself taking some of your favorite songs and changing the lyrics into trail songs? I see everybody saying no, maybe, probably not. Hot Buns, what's your little trail mix?
Well, had something going in my head, so I sang out "Cruising Down the Trail" in my Brooks 13.
So that might be for the older crowd. Let's see if you can pick that up. crazy. We'll just spit something out every once in a while.
Yep.
I had mine's easier to pick up, obviously. I'm skipping down the trail, and next thing I know, I'm singing, "You gotta fight for your right to through hike." Mom, you gotta fight for your right to through hike. Mom catches you buying a new tent, but you tell her, "No way, got 2,200 miles to do." Busts in the door and says, "What's that noise?" "Mom, you're just jealous that's Dixie on the trail." Stupid junk going through your head.
Yep. Not a damn thing to think about. So that's the stuff that's in your head.
There's been many more, but that's the last couple.
Yep.
Good times. Nice to have a clear head. Except mine might be odd enough that clarity and free time is not really what you want.
I don't think this will ever be clear. Mine may.
Yeah, mine runs too much.